This is All Things Motoring News. To read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. In our podcast, Keep It or Change Cars, we discuss DEKRA and Bidvest, ownership, trust, and accountability. Catch You Ask, We Answer. NP200 at high mileage, paid off equals peace of mind. In All Things Motoring, we meet Peter Lindenberg. Racing legend and West Coast Car Show founder shares his story. The critical issue of ESG skills, how to bridge the supply and demand gap. SCOD has partnered with Amazon to introduce a digital showroom for UK customers. Upcoming Omoda C3 redefines the crossover with cyber mecha aesthetics. Toyota South Africa Motors announces continued partnership with Comic-Con Cape Town 2025. The Slate truck is a configurable American bakkie that can turn into an SUV. Read Colin Wendell's article, Honda Valued in the USA. As the industry evolves, the brand's focus on trustworthiness and performance could play a pivotal role in strengthening its position worldwide. Remember, to read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by CHANGECARS. If you're looking to sell, need advice, need finance, or need insurance, CHANGECARS has you covered.